As you grow your little town, you'll start to get messages from your residents suggesting things like, why don't you invest in education and get some class around here? So little ironic puns. But let's go ahead and take a look at the educational options. So, education, there we go, under specializations. You can see there on the left, I've already got a Department of Education, which shows 1 out of 1 available. I have 1 out of 1 available. The nursery school, brightly colored with a playground. Grade school. So nursery school, area 8 by 8, 15% boost in population. Epic point 1, price 2 golden keys, and you have to already have a Department of Education. So let's go ahead and drop that in. Now you can see the zone of benefit there. If I put it up here somewhere, I can't fit it in, but here I can benefit those 2 houses, is it? You can see just below the word education, you can see the number of population, the amount of population that will benefit. 69 over here and 150 over here, as well as over here at the corner. So I think I'll drop it in. How if I put it up here? No. There we go. This will give them more access away from the road. So that biophilic design, right, where you can connect with other things away from road, connecting more towards nature. What about a grade school? Wouldn't that be nice to have? Sure, let's drop that in. You can see the blue boosts rise up. See there, those 2 houses, their population, the little blue tower boosts up to 252. Directly on the school. Not sure why, it's population plus 402 or plus 252. Well, let's see, if we're at population right now of 1982, and we drop it in, I'd say we got about 400 boost. So the plus 402 is the actual value. Okay, so as you drop in education and other specializations, things that attract more residents to your city, then you'll see your population go up. So another choice would be to add something over here on this side. How about a public library? I have 10 golden keys and this one only costs 5. Let's drop it in here. Get some boost for those houses on the left. Alright. Community college, 10, but I've only got 5 golden keys left, so I need to get some more golden keys. One of the good ways to do that is to get your cargo ships going. Once you give the cargo ships what they need, then you get a golden key. Another one is once you get Dr. Vu's tower going, you can get golden keys and a good chunk of simoleons by letting the natural catastrophes destroy your city and then fixing it up again. Now a good time to demonstrate that? Alright, let's do a disaster. Oh, got a little boost there. That's for storage. Okay, let's zip over to the capital city and unleash Dr. Vu's catastrophe. So there's Dr. Vu's tower, and you can see by the tick mark it's ready to go. So let's click on it. He's excited, and you can see that the tornado is the one that's ready to go because it was bouncing. So if I hold and drag, I can see the damage is going to be 4, repair cost is easy. So let's drag it into that scary looking machine, which starts up, and then tick over the power cells and the black gloves, and then he presents you with the red button. So it's your decision to push the button or escape out by pushing the X on the far right. But we'll go ahead and unleash some catastrophe here. Whoa, whoa, ah, ah, he laughs. And uh-oh, see electricity, and look at the way that the intersections are blinking, right? So that's pretty realistic. And here comes the giant tornado, wreaking havoc. Oh no, watch out. Everybody should be down in the storm basements, right? Away from potential death and dismemberment. So the tornado wreaks havoc across the city and then spins out when it hits the beach. And that's the end of the tornado. And what's the cost? Well, there you go. You can see the 4 buildings that it wiped out. And it's got 4 little hats. And what do we need to do? Need some more metal for that one. Some chemicals for that one. A watch, which notice I just sold my watches, and a chair, which I just sold my chairs. But no worries. I can quickly build those items up again. Matter of fact, I probably have metal available. Yep, don't forget to replenish your raw materials. And there's this one's ready to go. Let's drop it in, and voila! The tower comes back very quickly and exactly like it was before. So there's a party in progress. So that's Dr. Vu's natural disasters, or unnatural, I guess, since he's the one causing them to happen. And easy means it's not going to be too tough to get 1 watch, 1 chair, and 1 nail, and 1 more flask of chemicals. So pretty easy to fix. And when I repair these buildings, I'll get golden keys and some simoleons. So this one, if I rebuild it, I will get a 1 more golden key. This one, also another golden key, and this one, 500 more simoleons. So easy way to get some golden keys, and good drills for your Sims to practice dealing with disasters. So Dr. Vu is performing a civic duty, right? And if you believe that, I've got some swampland in Florida ready for sale. All right, well, I think we'll wrap up this and call it chapter 3.
4.